To set up a Punnett square, first you're going to need your parent cross and your key to tell you what do the alleles for this trait stand for. We generally use a dominant allele with a capital letter. So in this case, our dominant trait is tall, lowercase t for short, which is the recessive trait. In this parent cross, we are going to be crossing two heterozygous individuals, a parent with capital T, lowercase t, with another parent that is also heterozygous for height. To set up your Punnett square, you're going to actually draw a square with 4 boxes. This is for a monohybrid cross because you're looking at one trait at a time. You will then place the alleles for each parent, one parent along the top and one along the side. These represent the possible gametes that can be produced by that parent. This means that if you have your male parent along the top, he can produce sperm that either have the dominant allele for tall or the recessive allele for short. Same with the female along the side. The female will produce eggs that either have the dominant allele or the recessive allele. To use the Punnett square to help predict possible offspring, you're going to fill in each box like a grid. So this allele would combine with that allele for one possible combination. This allele combines with this allele for another. Same thing, you go straight down, straight across for this possible outcome, and then straight down and straight across for this possible outcome. These are the 4 possible combinations that can be produced from this parent cross. Notice when I fill in the heterozygous boxes, I always put the dominant allele first. So in this case, for this parent cross, you have a 1 in 4 chance that the offspring will be homozygous dominant. You have a 2 out of 4 chance, or 1/2, that the offspring would be heterozygous, and then a 1 in 4 chance that the offspring would be homozygous recessive. If you look at the phenotype for this, you have a 75% chance that the offspring will be tall, and you have a 25% chance that the offspring will be short. These apply to each individual cross. So for each mating, this is the possible outcome. This does not mean that if you have 4 offspring, this will be the definite. You'll have 1 that is homozygous dominant, 2 that are heterozygous, and 1 that is homozygous recessive. This means that for each individual cross, these are the possible outcomes for each individual.